it's Hui Ming here. If you have watched our previous tutorial video on EasyStore Point of Sales feature you must know, from the general settings, operational, shipping and pickup features, this video will be the fourth one in which you will learn about some key features relating to loyalty program. If you have yet to watch the previous ones, please do check out EasyStore YouTube channel and find it on the latest video. First feature you must know relating to loyalty program is member detection via barcode. As a business, I believe you'll be serving return customers, meaning to say they will come back and repurchase with you, but I wonder, how do you identify them? In EasyStore, each of your customers would have their own unique barcode from the shopping app, or you can actually search through phone number to identify their membership. You can click on Add Customers, search for their phone number 290138. Okay, so if they are a registered customers with you, you can actually get their information here. However, if they do not have the unique barcode or information here, which means they could be your new customers, you can take this opportunity to sign them up as one of your members, because we all know that it's not easy to get customers too. Customers acquisition can be quite costly now. However, if they are already your members or your existing customers, you can get their information in the system directly from here, or we will go through QR code scanning. So I already have my QR code here, so you can actually change it to a barcode as well. But then today we will go with the QR code. So we try with the camera scanner. I will scan my unique code here, and you will automatically see my information on the top right. So with this, you can easily recognize who are your members without the need to remember each of their faces. Coming to the second feature you must know is, with the information that we help to store for you into the system, you can actually see their information as well. So when we click on it, these are the information. So from here you can understand these customers have actually joined you since 4 years ago. Okay, and how many points have she accumulated? The first is you can actually see their purchase history under bought items here. So this can be a great opportunity for you to offer a personalized recommendations, and at the same time you can have a better understanding on what kind of products that these customers are interested in. Next, you can also identify what are the items that they have added inside the cart online but didn't proceed to check out. In under this situation, for example, if you have a website with EasyStore as well, we do keep track on this. So it is under online in-cart items. From here, staff can suggest customers to purchase the item on the spot since they are already here with you. If they agree to go with that product that they have added inside online in-cart items, you just click on it and it will automatically goes into the cart. Coming to the third one is, let's say if you are running membership tiering and point redemption here with your brand, with EasyStore, you can actually preset this in EasyStore backend. If these customers is an existing customers of yours, you can identify how much more they need to spend in order to upgrade to a higher membership tier and unlock additional privileges that you have to offer. From here, we have a progress bar. Okay, so for example, this customer need to spend at least 1,200 more to upgrade to a higher tier, which is the diamond. Okay? So the tiering you can actually set through EasyStore backend, but in my test store here, I have actually set up to 4 tiers: silver, gold, and now which is I am in platinum, and the highest one would be diamond. So this is different type of membership tiering that you can set. If you're asking me, can we set different privileges or different benefits for each of the membership tiers? Yes, you can do so. And also it depends on whether if you're running points and membership, which relating to our fourth key features you must know in loyalty programs. From here you can see that customers have up to 2929 points, so they can actually redeem it. So what can we do? And you can actually set a minimum purchase. So from here I have actually set a minimum purchase of at least 100 ringgit spent and above only you will be entitled to get for the points. Okay, so I need to make sure that customers actually purchase up to 100 ringgit and above. So let me add products to cart. I will add a few more products. Okay, so now our cart is 134.90. For the points, you can actually double click it. So one click is using all of the points. Double click meaning to say customers can actually use preferred total points. So for example, customers would like to redeem 500 out of the 2,900 points. You just key in, okay, double click, key in the amount, confirm, and then you will see the points applied automatically deduct 500 points. And for the points, it depends on how you set. Okay, be it by 1 ringgit spent equals to 1 point, 1 ringgit spent equals to 5 points, 1 ringgit spent equals to 10 points, and more. It depends on how you set. If you set it in a different way, it will come out on a different total points applied also. And coming to discounts and vouchers, and as long as they are signed up as your member, you are able to keep track of their available vouchers. So for here, you can click on vouchers. So probably this customer redeemed all of the voucher, so it is empty here. But then if you are running, it will apply here. Okay, let's say we go back to customers information, assign vouchers. We click on this confirm, and it actually depends on how you set it. Okay, sometimes you might set it a minimum purchase of at least 150 and above, or at least a certain item quantity and above. So it depends on how you set. Okay, so for example, let's say if we are going with this, okay, at least I have to spend a minimum of 150. So we add a few more products. We go with white. So now the total is up to 183.90. So we go back to vouchers. You see it is clickable now. So we click on it, and voucher applied. 10 ringgit off minimum spend, 150 ringgit together with the points, 500. Okay. This is what you can actually do with inside the POS system throughout your loyalty program and membership tiers. And again, it depends on how you set through our admin panel. And I believe business isn't just about selling or getting more sales, but it is also part of the engagement you have with your consumer, which make it better. And again, if you have yet to watch the previous videos on point of sales features you must know, please check them out and stay tuned on what's coming next.